How to get your thread circle. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Chrome on your phone. Now in the search bar, you want to go ahead and type thread circle and tap go on your keyboard. Open the very first link, that is thread circle. Now here in threads username, you have to enter the username of your thread and then tap on generate circle. For that, you have to make sure that your account is in public, not private. Now, after some time, when you scroll down, here is the place where you will find thread circles. The picture of all the users will appear here who have interacted you on threads. Inner circle represents the closest, middle circle is who interact with you, and outer circle represents who are farther away but still connected with you on threads. And to download the picture, you want to tap on download file. That is how you can get your thread circle. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.